So we'll just point out the elephant in the room. I'm wearing mismatching socks. Hello, welcome back, or if this is your first time here, my name is Siobhan. I'm happy to have you. Obviously, I'm in a little bit of a different setup. So I ordered a custom pair of Vans, and I'm going to go through the process while I'm recording it. So I'm recording my phone screen and I'll put it up here. So depending on which product, there are going to be different things that you're able to customize, but I did old school, so we'll go ahead and start with that. And I did the platform sole because I'm short. I'm 5'3", so I'm not exceptionally short, but I am short. My boyfriend is 6'5", so that always makes me feel a little more short than I even am. And then I spent a lot of time moving things around and doing different stuff. I really like that you can rotate and see the entire shoe as you're customizing it. And I'm weird. I wanted all of the things everywhere. So the first thing, I'm just going to try and go through in the order that it has it on here, like the steps 1 through 12, even though if you touch, so like if I touch the sole, it'll take me to the sole. If I touch the side, it'll take me to the side. But just for the sake of the video, I'm just going to go through. So the first thing is the vamp, is what they call the toe area, and that's under solids. It is black glitter. I don't know what got into me while I was making these shoes. Like, I decided at some point that I had to have black glitter on them. So then the second thing is the quarters. So this is the side, and there are a lot of different patterns that you can do. So, oh, these are cute. These are new. These graduation ones, they weren't here the last time I looked. But if you're graduating and you are interested in getting Vans, it's very cute that they have like these little 2020, it says class of 2020. That's adorable. That is not what I have on mine. Does this not have all, there they are. I was like, there were more patterns, I'm sure of it. So that's new also. So depending on your style, like they have a lot of different stuff. Cute little puppy dogs. But this is what I went with. I also, no, I don't like that. Oh, I don't think these custom ones over here were there either. But yeah, if you were looking for some nice 4th of July shoes, if you like camo or animal print, and again, if you wanted to, like if you had your own photo that you wanted to put up, or if you made your own design, you can put your own design on there, which I think is really cool. So I went with this nice kind of herringbone style, and then the side stripe. So the side stripe, I wanted to match the toes, so it's also going to be black glitter. And then I'm just going to show you some of the other color options that are on here. I could have gone with just like white or black, but the black glitter was my choice for that. And then the heel. So for the heel, it's a solid. I did this shade here. So I'm really obsessed just in general with this like kind of blue gray shade. And I'm really curious to see what that's going to look like on the shoe, because I haven't unboxed them yet. So on here, it looks kind of shiny. So I'm curious what that's going to look like. Next, the lining. So you can do lining in white or black. I chose black. I would always choose black just because I'm I tend to prefer black insoles in my shoes. The eye stay, so this is the area around the eyes. And I want to say, oh, I might be wrong about this. We'll find out when I unbox them if I'm remembering correctly. Because I know that I changed them a couple of times, but I'm pretty sure I did the black glitter there. And then the eyelets I did in black. And the tongue, this one I know for sure. I did, so I chose the galaxy pattern. And originally I had considered doing just like full galaxy print shoes. Like you can see like galaxy print is on the back of my phone. Oh, and like that same kind of a violet is like the color, like the violet gray is very close to sort of the lavender shade that they use for the iPhone 11. So that's just a color combination that I really like. But when I did full galaxy shoes, here, I'll change it for a second just so that you can see what that looks like. Like, actually, kind of like it with the glitter. I mean, it's too late now because I already have these to unbox. But even that, like, I don't know. it just wasn't speaking to me. And obviously, this is not an inexpensive process. So, yeah. And then the eyelets, the tongue, the binding. So this is the area around the tongue. I did in that same kind of like, it's periwinkle, really, I think is probably the closest for that shade. But I did the binding in the periwinkle also. And then the foxing, or the sole, I did in black. And I did a gray. Did I do gray or did I do blue? Pretty sure I did gray. A gray stripe. And then laces. I also thought it was really cool that you get to choose your laces. I should have gone with purple. So I got gray laces. I just felt like they matched the best. Although now that I'm looking at it, laces though, I mean, you can get laces in any colors. But I really, like, I could change the laces for sure into like lots of different colors with the like color scheme that I've chosen. But I did gray laces. And then the embroidery, so you can write something on the heel, but you have to actually choose embroidery and then put it in. So I did truth in beauty, and it automatically makes it all uppercase. And I feel like I wasn't, yeah, it doesn't let you do, that was why I did the period there. It doesn't let you do a space. And I had done goat meat. So my name is the word for goat meat. So I had done goat on one and meat on the other. And it just didn't look like it lined up right. And so I voted not to do that. But like you can see on the back of here, it says in beauty. So this is the shoe. This is what it looks like in the mock-up. And we will see how close the mock-up is to the actual shoe that I got. Okay, so it comes in a Vans branded box. And it was shipped from California. And it's not, like, inside isn't another shoebox. Inside is a bag. And at the top, it says custom made for you. This is like really nice, thick canvas. And then these are wrapped in plastic. Oh, they're cute. So here is the shoe. I'll put the laces in a second so you can see it with the laces. Oh, I did do the blue. So I couldn't remember if I did gray or blue for the stripe, but I did blue. The glitter also, I don't know how well you can tell on video. Whoa. So the glitter is definitely more multicolored than I thought it was going to be. It's like, you can feel the texture, but it's not coming off at all. But it's, yeah, like it's multicolored. It's not just like plain black, which I wasn't really expecting. I still like it. It's very pretty, and it goes well with the whole like galaxy theme of the tongue. And it did also come with an extra pair of laces in white. And the insole, did these insoles come out? No. My other Vans, the insoles come out, but the insole actually says Vans Customs on it. And these, they look large, which I think is probably at least in part because I got the larger sole on them. But I have relatively small feet, like smaller than average feet. And I'm just gonna go ahead and lace them up real quick. So here it is laced up. I would say it looks like the photo. I mean, there's the back. This is the one that says in beauty. So the back of them. So now for the real test of any pair of shoes, I'm going to go ahead and get the other one laced up and try them on. So we'll just point out the elephant in the room. I'm wearing mismatching socks. I always wear mismatching socks. I'm sure there are people who are going to be triggered by that, and I apologize, but I also just always wear mismatching socks. Yeah, they fit good. They're a little bit long. I probably could have gone down a half a size, but they're so cute. They're really comfy. Overall, my final thought on the shoes and whether or not it's worth it to me, I love them. I don't think I said in the beginning that the reason that I did this is because I got 20% off. And that's because I ordered a pair of Vans for my boyfriend. Like, my boyfriend he loves Vans, and so I think he has like 4 or 5 pair. And when I ordered him the pair for his birthday, I got 20% off. So I used that towards the custom Vans for me because he didn't want any custom Vans, or I would have used them for him. But I love Vans. I used to be very much just a like Chuck Taylor girl, and then I hadn't worn Vans in years, and then I got a pair that was on sale somewhere and remembered that they just are so comfortable. So unless you have really narrow feet, Chucks just can get really uncomfortable, particularly at the toes. And they also don't come in half sizes, and I wear a half size. So yeah, I also have heard not great things about their custom ordering process. And these, like, it's just so exciting to have shoes that are exactly what I want in the colors that I want and fabrics and styles. And I think that I'm going to actually go ahead and order a pair with a design that I have and like do an actual custom design. If not for me, for my boyfriend. So if you're interested in seeing a video like this again, hopefully, since I've already done one, I will learn from this video and the next one will be better. But yeah, I was really excited about this process and wanted to sort of show how easy it was to do. And I was really like, it was gonna go one way or the other, and it was either gonna be exactly like it looks in the little mock-up that they show, or it wasn't. And if it wasn't, then that's something that I would want people to know. Yeah, they feel incredibly well made, and they're really comfy, and I'm super stoked to have them. So anyway, that was all. I had hoped to introduce you to my pets in this video, but my pets are being jerks. The cats, I don't know where either one of them are, and the dog refuses to get on the chair. But I ended up putting the dog in the other room so that he wasn't just sitting here whining through the entire video. But yeah, I hope that you are having a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are, and I will see you in another video real soon. If you've stayed this long and you haven't subscribed, you should subscribe. Okay, bye.